Hey, welcome back to Random Tasks, and yet another problem I'm going to solve with my 2001 Saab 9.3 Aero. I had the check engine light come on, and I used my code scanner to get the codes, which were P1312 and 1334, which is misfire on cylinders 1, 2, 3, and 4. And the solution for this is to, well, check the plugs, replace the plugs. And if that solves the problem, great. But another common problem is that it could be the direct injection cassette. And these are reportedly meant to last around 60,000 miles. My car is about 64. Could be the original, I have no idea. So I did replace the plugs about a month ago, and then the check engine light came back, same codes. So unfortunately, I'm gonna have to do the cassette, which costs about 280 British pounds, so not cheap. The good thing is that they are still available, and so I went ahead and ordered one again from Parts for Saabs, and that is right there. And yeah, luckily it's pretty easy to do. First, take these 4 screws out, and then there's a plug over here that needs to be disconnected. So I will just remove the screws off camera. Okay, the screws are removed, and then this basically comes up like this. And I just need to now remove this. So this plug, basically there's these little red tabs that were sticking out here and here, and you push that out, and then you pull this piece that way towards the back, and then it comes off quite easily. Now, even though I did just put these plugs in about a month ago and actually haven't really driven much, I am going to take them out and just check them out, make sure they look okay. Okay, so checked all the plugs. They look just as good as new. I've retorqued them all to spec, and I've got my new cassette right here. Other than looking cleaner, I did notice in the other one there was a crack along basically here. So maybe that was the issue, no idea. But I do know that they're known to fail. So hopefully this will mean that I don't have to do this for another 60,000 miles. So I'm going to connect the plug, and then I'm going to pop it in place. Okay, plug is connected. I've pushed that into place evenly. Now I just need to put the 4 screws back in, and then I can fire it up. Okay, the screws are in, everything's done. So I'm gonna go inside and fire it up. Okay, it's running. Already cleared the code, so hopefully I don't come back for a while. But yeah, if you ever have to do this, it's a very simple process again. It's just not super cheap. You know, a few $100, a few £100, 200 euros, whatever it might be. Yeah, but if it's only once every 60,000 miles or so, then that's not too bad. So, hope this is helpful, useful. Please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.